Indices. Indices, I think you have learnt. Yes, you have learnt about indices. What is this one? 5 to the power 2. This is said that 5 to the power 2. This is the base. You know that. What is this one? This is the index. This is index. This is said that 5 to the power 2 or 5 squared. This one can be said that 7 to the power 4. How do you express this one? 2 to the power 5. This one 8 to the power b. 8 to the power b. The base is a, the index is b. Now you can multiply the indices. This one 8 to the power 2 into 8 to the power 5. How do you simplify this one? Can you write these indices as a into a to a 2 times 5 10? No, this is wrong. You cannot write. This is wrong. Right? 2 times 5 10 a to a, you cannot write. Then how can you write it? What is the answer? Here the base is a. The base is a. The base is a. The base is a. Base is a. Right? Here the base is a. Base a, base a. So when the base is equal, so here a, indices should be added. Indices should be added. Here the index is 2, index is 2, 5. So here this is not changed. This base should be written. A should be written. The indices should be added. This 2 and this 5 are added, not multiplied. 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 5, so 8 to the power 7. 2 plus 5, 7. This one, x to the power 10 into x to the power 7 into x to the power 2. How can you simplify this one? The base a, base a, base a. So now you can add these indices. 7 plus 10, 13 plus 2, 19. X to the power 19. This is the answer. Okay. So when the base is equals, indices should be added. A to the power 3 into b to the power 5. Can you write, can you find the answer of this sum that AB 2 plus 5, 8? No, you cannot take. This is wrong. The reason is when the base is equals, indices should be added. Here the base is A, here the base is B. Therefore you cannot add the indices. If you want to add the indices, the base should be equals. Okay, so this sum cannot be simplified more, right? This is the answer. So this one, L to the power 4, m to the power 2, L to the power 5, m to the power 7. How can you do this? You could see same base. Here L, here L. Here m, here m. Right? Same things or same bases could be simplified. L to the power 4, L to the power 5. You can write L, 4 plus 5 should be added into m to the power 2, m to the power 7, m to the power 14. No, 2 times 7, 14. You can't do that. You have to add 2 and 7. 2 plus 7, 9. So the answer, L to the power 9 into m to the power 9. You cannot write that LM into 9 plus 9, 18? No, you can't. This is the answer. Now you know that when the base is equals, indices should be added. To be added, the indices bases should be equals. Okay. Next one. 5a squared into 5a squared into 2b to the power 3 into 4a 10b to the power 7. How can you do this one? First, you have to select the common terms or common bases, right? What are the common bases? Here you could see 5a to the power 2, 4a. 4a means 4a to the power 1, right? Simplify these two terms first, right? 5a squared, 4a. Now multiply. 5 and a can be multiplied. Digits can be multiplied. You don't worry about it. This 5, this 2, this 4, this 10. Those digits can be multiplied. 5 times to 10 plus 4, 40 times 10, 400. 5 times to 10 plus 4, 5 times to 10, 5 times to 10 times 4, 40 times 10, 400. So here you could write 400. 400. A to the power 2, a to the power 1. The answer, a to the power 3. Here, b to the power 2, b to the power 7. What is the answer? B to the power 10. B to the power 10. You cannot simplify this answer more. So you know that when the base is equals, indices should be added, as well as you can simplify when the digits are related to these sums. You could take the products of the written digits. Now division of we can do this one as well. When the base is equals, when it is divided, what will be happened? This a to the power 5 could be written that a times a times a times a. This means the term a should be multiplied 5 times. This means the term a should be multiplied 4 times. Now this wait. This a and this a can be simplified. This one and this one can be simplified. This one and this one can be simplified. This a and this a can be simplified. You could see the remainder is a. So the answer here is a. Every time, no need to write these values, these terms at once. The answer could be taken at once. How do you do that? When the base is equals, so that you can realize I have written these terms, right? No need to write these terms. A to the power 5 over a to the power 4. When the base is equals, when it is divided, indices should be subtracted. So here a 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. That means a 5 minus 4. A. So a to the power 1. Okay. So when the base is equals, when it is divided, indices should be subtracted. How about this one? This sum. X to the power 9 or x to the power 6. What is the answer? Base is equals, so indices should be subtracted. X to the power 9 minus 6, 3. How do you do this one? Y to the power 12 over y to the power 14. Y to the power 14. How do you do this one? The answer can be written that here you could see y to the power 4. 14 is the greater value of index. So the answer is written in the denominator. Therefore, 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12. What is 14 minus 12? 14 minus 12, 2. 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12, 2. That one should be written in the denominator. The reason 14 you could see in the denominator. That is in the denominator. 14 minus 12, 2. Here you should write 1. 1 over, every time you have to write here 1. 1 over y to the power 2. So you know that when the base is equals, when it is divided, indices should be subtracted. Okay.